12 popular perennial plants that bloom white flowers. Hey garden friends, if you've ever dreamed of a flower bed that feels fresh, peaceful, and a little magical, this one's for you. Today, we're looking at 12 white flowering perennials that bring timeless beauty to your garden every single year. Shasta Daisy. Let's kick things off with a classic, the Shasta Daisy. Big white petals, sunny yellow centers, it's basically summer in flower form. These beauties bloom from early summer into fall and love soaking up the sun. They're perfect for garden borders, great for pollinators, and super easy to grow. Just give them well-drained soil and deadhead the spent blooms to keep the show going. White coneflower. Meet the tougher, more elegant cousin of the purple coneflower, white swan. With bright white petals and a clean daisy-like look, it's a favorite for sunny spots. It's drought-tolerant, bee-friendly, and blooms from midsummer into fall. Pair it with lavender or ornamental grasses for a really striking combo. White bleeding heart. This one's pure magic in the spring. White bleeding heart has these sweet heart-shaped flowers that dangle like little charms. It's perfect for shady gardens and loves rich, moist soil. After it blooms, it goes dormant in the heat, totally normal, so don't panic when it disappears for the season. Astilbe. If your garden has some shade, Astilbe Deutschland is your new best friend. It sends up these feathery white plumes in early summer and thrives in moist, part-shade spots. It looks dreamy next to ferns or hostas, and the texture is just gorgeous. Keep it well watered, especially in dry spells. Garden Phlox, David. If you want something that smells amazing and brings in all the butterflies, go with David Garden Phlox. Big white flower clusters bloom midsummer through early fall. It loves full sun, good air circulation, and a little compost in the soil. It's tall, showy, and totally garden party ready. White anemone. This one's a late bloomer in the best way. Honorine Jobert shows up in late summer just when other flowers are fading. It has simple, elegant white petals with golden centers and looks stunning in partial shade. It spreads gently, so give it space to do its thing. Lily of the Valley. Tiny but mighty, Lily of the Valley fills shady corners with sweet scent and old-fashioned charm. Those little white bells bloom in spring and thrive in cool, moist soil. It spreads over time, so it's great for ground cover. But heads up, it's a bit of a garden overachiever, so keep an eye on it. White Yarrow. Yarrow is your go-to if you need something tough but still pretty. White Beauty has flat clusters of flowers and silvery foliage that look awesome in dry, sunny spots. It's drought-tolerant, pollinator-friendly, and adds a wildflower vibe to your garden. Deadhead for more blooms and enjoy the low-maintenance life. White Daylily. Daylilies are the dependable friends of the flower world, and Gentle Shepherd is one of the loveliest. Soft white blooms pop up in midsummer, and while each bloom only lasts a day, the plant keeps pumping them out. They're easygoing, full sun to part shade, and just average soil will do. Snow in summer. Want a white carpet of flowers? Snow in summer has you covered. It blooms in late spring with tiny starry white flowers and grows low with silvery foliage. Great for rock gardens, edges, or spilling over a wall. After it blooms, give it a little trim to keep it tidy. Gooseneck Loosestrife. This one's a bit quirky, and I love it for that. It has white flower spikes that curve like a goose's neck and blooms mid to late summer. It does great in moist soil and full sun to part shade. It spreads a bit, so plant it somewhere it has room or where you don't mind it taking over a little. White Peony. Peonies are garden royalty, and Festiva Maxima is no exception. Big fluffy white blooms with just a hint of pink in the center, blooming in late spring. They like full sun, rich soil, and a little patience. They take a couple years to get going, but once they do, wow, totally worth the wait. White flowers bring timeless charm and peaceful beauty to any garden, and these perennials make sure that beauty comes back year after year. If this video gave you some fresh ideas for your garden, be sure to like it, and let us know in the comments which white bloomer is your favorite, or if there's one you think we should add to the list. And if you're looking to keep your landscape lush all year long, don't miss this video. Best evergreen ground cover plants for greenery that lasts through every season. And remember, life is better when you garden.